Okay, so here is my NUC hive, my second one that I had set up, and it seems to be thriving. So let's go take a look. So there seems to be a lot of hive activity. You can see them building some comb on the inner cover. Again, tons of activity in the hive. Every single frame seems to be filled with bees. Way more activity than any of my other hives. Look at all that activity there. See all the brood cells, the honey on the side. If you look carefully, you could see the honeybee emerging from the comb. Amazing. Look at that. Very cool. Just popped out. Again, some new comb. Tons of eggs. Tons of activity. Look at the crazy honey stores on this side of the frame. Again, brood cells. More brood cells. Haven't found the queen yet, but I'm sure she's on one of the frames. You can see the queen right there pushing her way around the workers, laying her eggs. Look at the brood cells on this particular one. Each of those empty cells have eggs in them. Honey is being formed on the side to help feed. Very cool. So I'm one happy beekeeper here. Seems to be doing quite well. Another week or so I might have to put on another box on top of the hive. But so far so good.